Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your email notifications on Audible. So once you're in a Audible your application, you want to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner, Then you want to go to the settings, which is in the top right corner. And then by going down, you're gonna find the email notifications. If you go into, you are going to get options of the email notifications. So you can select this one, and this is going to mark all of the notifications. So you can also deselect the specific ones. So Audible daily deals, author, narrator and series awards, new releases, member exclusive competitions, Audible news and announcements, editor speaks and customer favorites, credit reminders, sales and offers. Also on the bottom you can select please do not send me any marketing and editorial newsletter emails for now. So you can also select that, and you're not going to have any emails coming from the Audible. And this is also going to deselect all of the above. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!